Whirlpool AKZM 756 Oven Exit Demo Mode. Hi, we just moved into a house with the above oven installed. It is stuck on demo mode and I can't work out how to get it operating normally, out of demo mode. The manual available online doesn't mention demo mode. http:/www.manualslib.com/manual/421195/Whirlpool AKZM 756.9.html. Web search doesn't produce anything that works. Help please. Michael.
Can you get me the complete model number off the tag? I need the complete one.
All the info on the tag is as follows: Whirlpool type, FXQM6 230 volts to 240 volts tilde 50 Hz, made in Italy, SGS 2006 mod, AKZM 756/92.7 KWN 387 serial number 0009852575653000 1410300139928. I can send you a photo of the tag.
Are you in Italy?
No, I'm in Australia, Darwin, Northern Territory.
Do you have a home screen and setting options to pick from?
There is a screen, but I'm afraid I'm not in front of the oven at the moment. I'm at work. Internet at home is very slow. I will be there tomorrow. I was seeking a procedure to turn demo mode on/off. The screen is described in the manual on page 10 at http://www.manualslib.com/manual/421195/Whirlpool AKZM 756.9.html. Page 12 of the manual mentions a settings screen.
Yes, you need to find the special settings or options menu and cycle through them. You will see demo in one and then select it to turn it off. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This is the only way I am paid or credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Okay, that makes sense, and hopefully will work. It seems the manual skipped that level of detail to its menus. Thanks for bending your mind to this one. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow evening. Are you in the US? Thanks again, Michael.
Yes, I am in the US, but these are the same as the US models, and the demo mode is in the settings or exceptional functions. It is listed there. Very easy to turn off.
That sounds hopeful. Of course, it should be easy to turn off. It would be an improvement if Whirlpool considered this aspect in their standard manual. Thanks again, bye.
Yes, it is not bad to do for sure.
Hi again, I had a go at your suggested solution on the oven, trying to access demo mode through the settings mode. Unfortunately, I couldn't choose any mode. The demo setting, or a malfunction, prevents any selection of modes. The left-hand function button has no effect at all, whereas it should scroll me through the modes. I can't actually get any response from any button, except the PowerPoint on-off switch to kill the power. When the oven is turned on at the PowerPoint, it goes straight into demo mode, and does a simulated 10 minutes bake. Is the unit faulty, or is this an oven setting that can be exited through pushing the right sequence of buttons? Thanks, Michael.
The unit is faulty.
Is it possible for you to identify which part is faulty? Do you have access to a service manual for this model? I took the instrument panel fascia off and saw that the function knob is wired to a circuitry at the back of the display panel, which is then wired to a larger circuit board deeper inside the oven. I cannot determine whether the problem would lie with the function selector knob, or either of the circuit boards. So I don't know which part might need replacing. Any thoughts?
Is the unit brand new? Can you get it covered under warranty?
Hi, no, it doesn't look at all new. I would guess it is 10 plus years old. Good thought though. What approach do you usually take to diagnose circuitry issues? Do service manuals assist? Do you have access to one for this model? Thanks, Michael.
Let me see if any other techs have info on this since I will be away. Hi, my name is. Will try to assist you with this. Does anything happen when you press the settings button? I was able to find these instructions for the Whirlpool oven, to enter or exit demo mode. 1. Press settings/clock until demo mode is displayed. 2. The current setting will be displayed. 3. Press the 1 keypad to adjust the setting. 4. Press cancel to exit and display the time of day. See if this helps you any at all.
Hi John, I'm not sure you are looking at the correct oven model. The manual is at http:/www.manualslib.com/manual/421195/Whirlpool AKZM 756.9.html. If you look at page 9 GB7 in that manual, it shows the buttons on the front fascia. There is no button named settings, nor settings/clock. The function button, button 1 in the manual, p.9 GB7, and all the other buttons seem to show no response to being pressed, unless maybe there is some special combination of buttons we may not have tried, to unlock the demo mode. Thanks though. Michael.
I am not able to locate any additional information in regards model unit. I am going to opt out of your question, which will allow for one of the other experts here to comment on it if they have any other suggestions. Thank you.
Thanks for looking in for your efforts, John.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.